Let's talk about Bosch Original Tassimo Descaling Tablets. 1 box of 6 tablets CW. Genuine replacement limescale remover descaler for your washing machine. This can fit washing machines sold by different manufacturers and brands. For a full list of models this part accessory is suitable for, click on See More Product Details and then click See All Product Details. This is a genuine product. Take safety precautions when repairing all appliances. Repairs to gas appliances should only be made by a gas-safe registered engineer. Got these for my Tassimo T20 machine as the descaling light came on. A quick how-to guide for you. 1. Measure out half a liter of warm water in a jug. 2. Add the table. See, added 2 tablets because of the hard water in my area, wait till they dissolve. 3. Pour into machine container, place into the back. 4. Power on, then insert the service yellow pod located at the back, close down. Place the empty jug under the tap to catch the water. 5. Press and hold the big button for 5 seconds and away it goes. Should take around 20 minutes or when all the water runs out. The descaling light will go out, then the refill light and the standby light will come on. Power off. 6. After all done, wash out the container with clean water, then refill it and do the cleaning service 4 times until standby light comes on. Well, all 6 tablets used for 1 rescaling, and you know why? Because the instructions don't emphasize clearly the fact that you must. That's an absolute must, folks. Hold down the start-stop mug button for 5 seconds to initiate the rescaling cycle. Otherwise all you do is clean the machine instead, and of course the red warning light infuriatingly stays on. Come on Bosch, make it a bit easier for us. When I order, I will definitely read the comments and focus on helping me. When someone reads the comments, you can read both the bad and the positive ones. As some people have reported, I was afraid that the tablets would break apart in the bottle. This was not the case. The tablets came in great shape. I'm glad I ordered them. I used it for the resident coffee system. He works well. Obviously, I cannot see in the pipes, so I get a better understanding of how good the time is. The heating time is the lowest, the taste of the cabbage is even better.